Hey kids, I just have a couple tips to help you with the Pivot Interactive Lab. Just a couple things I want you to remember. So we have learned that the velocity of a wave, the speed of a wave, when I say speed and velocity, you guys know that those are not the same thing. But typically when we're talking about waves, we're just talking about waves moving in one direction in a straight line. So in that case, speed and velocity are the same thing. When you start changing direction, speed and velocity are not the same thing. But speed of a wave, we know that the equation for speed of a wave is the speed equals the frequency times the wavelength, right? So I always get the symbol for wavelength messed up, but there it is. Speed equals frequency times wavelength. But the speed of anything as well, we can say the speed of a wave, just like the speed of any object, is the displacement over the time. Like I said, we're moving in one straight line, so the displacement and the distance are the same thing. So d over t, right? So one more thing I want you to realize is, so the accepted value for speed of sound is about 340 meters per second. But at a given temperature, we can find the exact speed of a sound wave. So as we know, speed of sound varies with temperature. As the temperature outside is hotter, the particles are moving faster, so the sound wave can carry a little bit faster. At a given temperature, the speed of the sound is equal to 331 meters per second plus 0.6 times the temp. Okay, so those are just a couple of tips to help you with the lab for the Pivot Interactive. Okay, have a wonderful rest of your day and good luck on that. Don't be afraid to email me with any questions that you might have. Okay.